Hello, what is going on, guys? It's me, Anna Fan from techaply. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to open and clean a computer keyboard. Well, this video is all about dry cleaning the very dirty keyboard with simple tools. So let's get started. There we go. We have a 16 screws here to open. The tool that I'm currently using is a small screwdriver. Make sure you put all screws together and don't get any of them lost. Next, let's clean the film, which acts as a connector between the computer and the keyboard. Remember to use a soft cloth to remove all of the dust. After that, put it aside and go ahead with more cleaning steps. Now, we use a small toothbrush to clean each of the rubber buttons here. To remove the keys from keyboard, use your finger and press on the back of the keys. Push each one out. After that, arrange the keys into groups as is showed on the keyboard areas. This is for easy plugging in later on. We first clean the dust of the keyboard with a toothbrush or any kind of brush that you have. Then re-clean using cotton swabs, cleaning around each key legs and corners. Sometimes the dust might be clogging and it's hard to be removed. Next step, we clean under each key using the same type of cotton swabs. After everything got cleaned up, put the keys in its order. Now we put the keyboard upside down, then put those rubber buttons in. The last step will be putting back the processor of the keyboard, the connection film. Make sure to put it in the right order. Then tighten 2 screws on top of that, and it's all done, guys. Now we're gonna go and close the keyboard cover and get all the screws back in. That's it. That's how you're gonna open and dry clean a computer keyboard. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Anna Fan from techaply, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos later on. Bye for now.